Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Today we will talking about the probability, and the probability is simply how likely something is to happen whenever we are unsure about the outcomes of an event, or we can say chance of occurrence of an event. And we have three events: impossible event and certain event and possible event. The probability of impossible event equal 0, but the probability of certain event sure happen equal 1, but the probability of possible events between 0 and 1 and representing by fraction, let's show this. The impossible be 0 and certain will be 1, and possible between 0 and 1, maybe unlikely or equally likely or likely, and represented by proper fraction. But the question here, how to get the probability of an event. To get the probability of an event using this rule, the number possible outcomes over the total number of all outcomes. In general, we can say number over total. For example, we have X contains 5 red balls and 3 green balls and 2 black balls. If a ball is chosen randomly, find the probability of choosing red ball and choosing yellow ball and choosing not green at the first. To determine the total number by adding 3 events, 5 and 3 and 2, we get 10. Then total equal 10 balls. Now how to get the probability of choosing ball is red. Then how many chances for choosing red ball? 5 chances. Then the number over total will be 5 over total 10. When we simplify, we get 1 over 2 or half. But number 2, the probability of choosing a yellow ball. Here when we look here, not found any yellow ball, then it's impossible event. No chance to choosing a yellow ball, then 0 over total 10. It's impossible event equal 0. Number 3, choosing not green. The ball is green, not green, then we have red or black. Then how many chances here? 5 red and 2 black. Then 5 plus 2 will be 7. Then we have 7 chances to get the probability. Then 7 over total will be. Another example: a die is thrown once. Find the probability of appearance an even number. Number 2, appearance a number greater than 5. Appearance a number divisible by 3. At the first, we know the die contains numbers from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the total of these numbers. How many numbers here? I mean by total, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the total will be 6. Then now we can get the probability of appearance an even number. And these numbers, how many even number? 2, 4, 6. Then how many even number here? What? 3 numbers. Then 3 over 6 by simplifying, by dividing by 3 equal 1 over 2. Number 2, the probability of appearance a number greater than 5. Then how many number here greater than 5? It's 1 number is 6. How many number? 1 number. Then number over total, then 1 over 6. Number 3, the probability of appearance a number divisible by 3. If we look here, we search for which divisible by 3, 3 divisible by itself, then it's then 3, and 6 two numbers divisible by 3, then how many number? Here two number 3 and 6 divisible by 3, then how many number, or we can say how many chance? Here 3 and 6 two chance or two elements, then the number over total 2 over 6. Simplifying, we get 1 over 3. Another example, if we have 10 cards are numbered from 1 to 10, one card selected random, find the probability that selected card has an odd number, has a prime number. At the first, write the number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the total, I mean by total, how many numbers here? 10 numbers, then the total will be 10. 10 as the first. Has an odd number, search for odd number 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 9. Then how many odd number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 over 10. Simplifying, we get 1 over 2 by 12 positive terms by 5. Number 2, have a prime number, search for prime number 2 and 3 and 5 and 7. How many prime number here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the probability of selected card has a prime number 4 over 10. By simplifying, divide positive terms by 2, then we get 2 over 5. Now we have an drill. A box contains 5 white balls, 7 red balls, and 3 blue balls. A ball drawn randomly from the box. Find the probability that the drawn ball is red, the drawn ball is white, or blue, the drawn ball not white. Now you can solve this drill and tell us about your answer. And thank you.